Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's exciting one cause I finally got my hands on the brand new Meta Ray-Ban Gen-2 smart glasses. These aren't just sunglasses, like they are literally like having a camera, headphone and AI assistant all baked into one. And let's get right into the unboxing. First impression, like when I started putting this on, I can hear the song. I get in the spaceship or something, the song, or something like. But it's like a regular Ray-Ban. It's like wearing a regular Ray-Ban glasses. Actually, this Gen 2 is supposed to be lighter and more slimmer than the Gen 1. But they announced that like it has a more battery capacity. It's gonna last like 8 hours. Because like Gen 1 only lasts like 4 hours. They improved battery in Gen 2 and the camera. They say like in Gen 2 they got like 12 megapixel. In Gen 1 they only get like 5 megapixel camera. It's slightly improved than Gen 1 and like they also get a speaker down here. You can listen to the music or can take calls without wearing any airbags, which is pretty cool and like hidden, so like no one can hear you. That's amazing, Alright, for the camera, I just gotta click it to take a photo. So now I can hear the alert tone, like that I just took a picture in my ear, like a camera clicking sound. And like for the video, I just gotta hold the button right here. Now you can see the light right here, it's blinking. Which means like you cannot take a picture of somebody else. You're gonna take a video of somebody else without letting them know, like for the privacy. When you're taking a video, light is on and like they can know like that you're taking the video, which is pretty cool. Like this is what I'm seeing, and like so now it's capturing the video, so like this. So the quality is not that bad for the built-in camera in the glasses. If I want to stop my video capturing, I just gotta click it back, boom, that's it. It's pretty simple. Like if I want to like listen to music, I just gotta click right here on the frame. But actually I just gotta set up the glasses with my phone, and like I just gotta set up the music app. You can use Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, and some and one more, I forgot it. So like if you want to play music, you just gotta click it right here. Now it's on. So I just play a music and it sounds really clear, but it's not too loud for the people around me, and it's perfect for like walking around or biking. I don't know if you can hear it. Let me just see here. Alright, so here is the gesture for volume up and volume down. If I want to get a volume down, I gotta slice it like this. If I want to volume up, I gotta do it like this. So it's volume up and volume down. And when I click it again, the music is off. It's paused actually. So it's also have like AI AI integration in the glasses, which is pretty cool. Like I can do like, hey Matter, I can hear the voice in my ear, and like I can ask something like, hey, what's the weather today?
To activate me, say hey Meta followed by your request.
Yeah, sure. Like, hey Matter, what's the weather today?
To get started, say hey Meta followed by your question request.
Oh, it said I can ask the question followed by say Matter. All right. Hey Matter, what's the weather today?
Monrovia, California. It's currently sunny and 87 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, it will be clear with a high of 89 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 66 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right, but actually I can let you hear this, but I don't know how you can hear. Like I cannot show you like how he respond, but I can definitely get the how's the weather today from the Meta AI, through Meta AI, which is pretty cool. And I can also ask the question like, hey, what I'm seeing right now, and then it's gonna capture a picture what I'm seeing, and like it's gonna explain me. So which is pretty cool, like AI like integration in the glasses. And like these are the things I like. And this is stylish. It's like this looks like a normal Ray-Ban glasses, and lightweight. It's lightweight. It's not heavy to like wear it all the time. It's lightweight and comfortable, and taking photo is solid, and the video quality is good. It's great hand-free music and calls. This is a game changer, right? It also has a AI integration. It's so futuristic and fun. And the one thing I like in Gen-2 is the battery life. It lasts like 8 hours. 8 hours is like actually you can wear it like 1/3 of a day, and then you can just put it back in the case, and it's gonna charge your glasses, and you can put it back on. That's pretty cool, huh? But the one thing I don't like is it's pricey. It's like a premium product. Alright, so overall, Meta Gen-2 is smart glasses, or Meta Ray-Ban Gen-2 glasses feel like the future of wearable tech, and like they're not perfect, but they're definitely a big step forward. If you're into capturing moment hands-free, or if you just want stylish glasses that do the way more than blocking the sun, they're worth it. You gotta check it out. Like it's pretty like it. I pretty like it. Alright, so thanks for hanging out with me for this unboxing and the review. And like if you found out helpful, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe for more vlog. Let me know in the comment if you wear smart glasses like these. Until next time, thanks. Peace.